What do we have? We have Tonka toys. That's right. We have a blue Tonka tow truck. Super cool indeed. We have the Tonka sticker right there. Red and yellow or tan. Tonka USA. Got the old weathered look, guys, from being old and vintage. Some paint chips, some rust. It's how a lot of collectors like them, just like that, original condition. Let's go ahead and raise the hook, just like that. So that's still working real good. And it does say Tonka right there. It says Tonka right there. Here's the other side. Get some zoom close-ups for you guys. Tonka. This is that plastic? I think that's plastic right there. But everything else, the body is metal. Old vintage, the way they did those toys. Nowadays they're all plastic. So much better back then. Looking good, guys. At the top. Here's how it rolls. There we go. Tonka USA. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I will have this listing up on eBay at some point. Check the links in the description and the pinned comment, guys. And I will be back with some more cool stuff. I'm out.